Hey everyone, this is a video on how to make a smart lab in your smart notebook. The first thing you need to look for is open your smart notebook and make sure that it's 18.0. If it's not, you need to update within your smart notebook, and I'll show you how to do that. Smart labs are really cool. All you need to do is just plug in information and then it makes a game basically for you, and it also can be used to create activities for a grade, and then it produces that information for you on a spreadsheet. So what you'll do is if you need to check and see if you need an update, you'll go to help and you'll go to check for updates and activation. Once you're in that, and mine won't show it because mine's already been updated, but it'll say right here where it says update. If yours needs to be updated, you'll just click that. It's super quick update, so it doesn't take long. The next thing you'll do is you'll go right here to this monster looking guy, and it's called Smart Lab. So you click on Smart Lab. And there are all different types of activities that you can click and see. Some of them do require devices, so like Monster Quiz, Response To, and Shout It Out. Response To is where you can create a test and it produces a spreadsheet for you. After everyone has submitted and you've removed your students, you'll be able to download that spreadsheet. So this is really cool. I'll just show you what the game show looks like. So you could just say, what day is it? And then you've got to give choices. Then you click next. And of course, you're going to have more questions than that. And you'll click finish. Once you click finish, it will make a game board for you, which will pop up here shortly. And so there you have a game already ready. You don't have to go searching for anything. You can have teams, they spin and answer the questions. And that's just one of them. Like I said, there's a ton in Smart Lab that you can go and play around with. Fill in the blanks are really cool. If you're doing vocabulary, you can copy and paste a passage and then take the words out of it to fill in the blank. If you're doing labeling, some kind of anything that you need to label, that's you just upload a picture and then you put the points for them to label. So all kinds of really cool things, and I just wanted to share that. Thanks.